What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt Doheny, and in this week's video, we're meeting up with JD, a 17-year-old social media expert and entrepreneur. She's going to give us some advice for photographers, and I'm going to take you through a couple lighting setups I did with her, so be sure to stay through the whole video. If you like these kind of videos, I post them weekly, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get to it.
So, my name is Jade. I am a 17-year-old entrepreneur. I help people grow on social media.
Alright, we are all set up and ready to go. I'm going to take you through my lighting setup really quick. Behind me is my fill light. I'm using that just to fill in all the shadows. And then up here, that is our key light. I got a beauty dish on that thing. And then around here is Jade. Hey! So she's our model for today, and then back there we have the edge light. It has a little red gel on it, and then this is a little fill card to bounce a little light back in her face. So we're gonna get shooting. So as you know, I am a photographer.
Yes.
What advice would you give photographers in this day and age about social media?
Alright, so my number one tip, to make it really simple, is I think the number one tip is focus a lot on your craft, but just as much time on marketing. For example, a lot of you guys that are creative minds just sit there, make the art, but don't do shit when it comes to distribution and marketing, which is not beneficial because as an artist, I mean, we all agree we need to share our work, we need a little bit of love and awareness because that's art, right? You want to share it. So if you spend 3 hours taking a photo, set a timer, and spend 3 hours on distribution. Comment, hashtags, like people back, place ads. If you spend as equivalent amount of time, 50-50, content and distribution, you will grow your account, you will grow your clientele, and it needs to be that way. If you need a little bit of like a timer, that would get you started, but initially you need to spend 50-50 on content and distribution.
Oh my God, this girl is a smart cookie. All right, Jade, we just did the first look. I think it turned out wonderful.
Oh my God,
Let's go do the second one. Okay, cool. So we got look 2 set up. I wasn't really sure what I was doing at first, but eventually came up to this setup. I'm using my beauty dish as my key light, and then using this to reflect light back into her. And then I got my giant 5-foot octabox behind her, which is going to be backlight her, wrap light around her. So let's get to it. Alright everyone, well thank you so much for sticking through the video. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Hopefully I'll be able to answer each and every single one of them. I post these videos weekly, so if you're into that kind of thing, hit subscribe and follow along my journey. Let me know what you thought of the photos as well. I post these videos weekly, and I'll catch you next week.
This girl named Dua Lipa. I really like her empowerment, her fucking boss bitch vibes. That's the inspiration for kind of this outfit, this shoe.